Hello everyone again, this is IT Master. Today we are going to do the quick review of the Redmi Note 7 just released in China. As you know, the Xiaomi make a Redmi line to the sub-brand, and it's the first model which came under the Redmi Note 7 without the Mi or Xiaomi logo. Here is the device itself. Let's start with specifications first. It has a free variants, 332, which will cost $150, 664, which is the big brother, which will cost you actually $222, and the medium version is 464, which will cost you $180 approximately. It is coming with the Full HD screen with the raindrop design, which is the very popular now. It coming with the USB Type-C cable. It will include the standard silicone case as usual we are getting inside with the phone, and it's packed with the Snapdragon 40 nanometer octa-core processor, and with the GPU is Adreno 512 model. IPS LCD touchscreen, 6.3 inches and 19.5 to 9 screen ratio, which will pack 409 ppi density, and it will be protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And it also have this new 48 megapixel main camera, which is the Samsung matrix used on this model, which is actually on hardware wise is 12 megapixel, but it has some kind of upscaling and post-processing function, which is making your 12 megapixel photos to 48 by adding some kind of algorithm which is adding pixels after the photo is taken. Now you can see the left side is the 12 megapixel actual photo, and the right side is the 48 megapixel after post-processing photo, which is more detailed, and you can see the difference actually by the daylight, by the indoor and the outdoor photos. As you can see, it has a lot more details than the regular 12 megapixel camera is taken in natural. So this is it. This is quick review of this, and this phone is only available in China right now, but it will become a global version as usual after 2-3 months. Let's see. This is just I assume that it will happen. But from my previous experience, it is happening always. So stay well, stay cool. Hope you like the quick unboxing and the review of the Redmi Note 7. Thanks for watching, guys. See you. Stay well, stay cool. Bye-bye.